Hi, let's remove your data from NJ Parcels. First, go to njparcels.com. Enter your address, select your county or region, and click on Search Addresses. Find your listing and click on either the address or your name to open it. Copy the URL of your record just in case. Now, click on Redaction to get the redaction request form. Make sure the Page to be redacted field has auto-filled with your listing URL. Paste it in if it hasn't. Enter your email, full name as it appears in your listing, and a reason for your redaction request. We recommend privacy concerns. Finally, accept the declaration and click on Submit Request to complete the process. And with that, you've done all you can. NJ Parcels will evaluate your request within 72 hours. Don't spend any more time opting out one by one. There are thousands of other data brokers out there that collect and sell your information. Tracking them all down and sending individual opt-out requests can take hundreds of hours. With a subscription to Incogni, you can do it all automatically.